Nicole, and today I have my January 2019 BoxyCharm unboxing. I'm so excited for y'all, and for this year, I want to start trying to do better swatches. So I'm going to have my phone, I'm going to get up close and like swatch them on my phone with my camera, or not my camera, with my flashlight on and everything, and just have better quality for y'all because y'all deserve better quality. Again, I got the iPad so I can have better quality for y'all. So I hope this is helpful, and I'm so excited to show you what is in my box. So without further ado, let's get into the box. So the theme this month is boxy and chill, and it looks like this. And you get 5 products this month. Good. Keep when you say year, but that's incorrect, Nicole. So the first thing we're going to talk about is this BDB $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. This retails for $12. Now, I don't do anything with brows unless it's like clear brow gel. So I gave this to my mom to try out, and she said it was a good brow product, except that when she put it on, it just kept slipping and sliding. Like, it was a very like buttery formula, which in some cases is good, but she just said like it kept smudging and stuff. So I don't know, like, again, I don't really use brow products, so I can't give y'all like my full-on heartful review of this product. But again, according to my mom, it did slip inside on her brows, but she does have kind of somewhat thin brows. So I don't know. I can't try this product because, again, my brows are really bushy, but that was from what her review was. But I don't know. And it didn't come slanted. It's a retractable one. Let's see. I'm kind of scared to see how much product's in here. So you get that much product, which isn't bad for, what did I say, $12. So I don't know. But again, according to my mom, it wasn't the best brow product she's ever used. Okay, so the next product is this. This is the Briogeo Rosarco milk. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce anything. This is a reparative leave-in conditioning spray. This retails for... Oh, sorry, I lied. Sorry, this retails for $18. My bad, I was reading the wrong thing. And then this retails for $12. This is 20 ounces. I have used this. So in Ipsy, there was a hair care product I got, and it was like the only hair care product I've ever gotten, I think, in Ipsy. It was the Ava NYC 10-in-1 Main Magic, I think. And I was like, okay, I'm not gonna, like, I don't usually do, like, I'm not that, how do I word this? Like, I love my hair, and I do dye it. Like, I just got it re-dyed a bit blonde. And so I have to take really good care of my hair, because if I want this blonde to stay as long as it can, I gotta take good care of it. I gotta make sure my hair is really, really thick. So I gotta, like, brush it nicely, and it just tingles so bad. So the Ava NYC has helped my hair not be as, like, tangled when I get out of the shower. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna try my Main Magic up here, but then I'm gonna try this on the ends where it gets a bit knotted worse down at the ends. So I used it, and it made it a lot easier. I need to try it by itself and see how it works. But as of what I have tried with it at the tips of my hair, it worked wonderfully. I love the smell of it, and I'm actually surprised that I did like this product because, like I said, I'm not really big into hair care. Again, I do enjoy from time to time when I find the right products for my hair. But other than that, I'm not like going out and spending a lot of money on that. But I'm excited to know that I have a new hair product that I can try and that I can love. If it's cheaper than the Avonay one, I could go for this instead. But again, I haven't tried this all over my hair. I just tried it on the tips. So I'm going to try it all over my hair. But as of right now, I do enjoy this product a lot, and I'm really happy that I got this in my box. Oh. Like, yes. So the next product we have in here is this Ofra, this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick, and I got the shade Havana Lights, and there was 2 shades. It was either this shade or like a brown, it was like a weird brown color. So either way, I wouldn't have been happy with either of those. And then there's other lipsticks you could have gotten, like a Bite Beauty lipstick and a lip tint, I think. Don't quote me on it. Let me see. Yeah, you could have gotten a Bite Beauty lipstick, which most of these shades are like pinks and purples. There's like one nude shade, but I doubt I would wear that. Another by Smith and Colt. And then this lip, I think, were the only 3 options you had. Yes, that's what it looks like. So either way would have been fine. But it's a really pretty color. I did try this on, and sadly, I don't like this color for me personally. Personally, I'm into nudes, and I have some dark lipsticks by MAC in the shade Whirl, and then I have Chai by Bite Beauty, and then I have 657 by Maybelline. Nude Nuance, I don't know how to pronounce it. Again, I do love Ofra Cosmetics. I have 2 of their highlighters, and they're phenomenal. I wish I can get an Ofra lipstick that I can try. I have had one in the past, I think from Ipsy. I think it was either Ipsy or... I'm pretty sure it was Ipsy. It was like a pink. And it was, you can only get it through Ipsy. But I decluttered that because I was like, it's not a pink I would ever wear. It was like bright pink. But I did declutter it. But this is really nice. I love the new packaging that they have. It smells like, I don't know what's with companies and it smelling like frosting. But it does. And swatching it, it doesn't look, what's the word? I don't even know the word. It's going to probably come to me, or Emily's going to know what it is. Like, I don't even know. But it smells amazing, and it looks amazing swatching it, so. This also does dry down full matte, by the way, if y'all were wondering. And the formula isn't too drying. Lord. Anyways, I have tried this formula before. I don't know if they've changed the formula since they have new packaging. I don't know for sure. I think they said it's the same formula, but it was good when I tried it then. So sad that I'm going to declutter this, but hopefully it'll go to a good home that will enjoy like this kind of dark red. The next thing in the box is this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and you actually do get 2 of these, but I gave one to my friend to test out for me. This retails for $24. This is a paper mask that you put on your face, and it says it is for normal to dry skin. Now, my friend Hannah, who I work with, shout out to Hannah, like, love you, girl. We have the same skin where we're both oily, but we also have dehydrated skin, and we have very bad acne. Well, I do. I have bad acne prone skin. And so when I try products, I'm very like on edge because I'm so scared that's gonna break me out real fast. I have 2 sprays that I have. One's by Pearlescence. It's the coconut water. And I've noticed that when I use it on my face, my skin still breaks out. But the Mario Badescu Rose Water one, when I use that, my skin's, like, fine with it. So, like, there's certain products for hydration that I have to, like, be careful with. And then the Too Faced Hangover RX, I used to use that in high school, and my skin was, like, used to it. But since I, like, got off of that, my skin's not used to it yet, so I don't use it every single day. Which I should have been, because, like, it's cold outside, and my skin should be, but besides the point, like, it's hard for me to find products that are good and hydrating for the skin, because I know you should not keep making your skin matte all the time, if that makes sense, because there are certain oils in your skin that you do need, and by using these mattifying things, it's just going to take those oils away and break you out more, I think is what someone was saying. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. I don't remember word for word, but I know that there's certain oils in your skin that you should not be taking out. So anyways, I gave this to my friend Hannah to try out. She said she loved the mask. It's better for our skin type that we have. It's better to have this mask done when your skin's nice and clear, or it's like getting clear. It just makes your skin luminous. It makes it look healthy, and it makes your skin feel really, really soft. So this will be going to my friend Hannah, but she did enjoy it, and she said it was good. If I ever do want to try this mask, I can get it at Sephora, I'm pretty sure, for $24. It's a bit expensive for that, but then again, I hear great things about Tatcha. Kind of sad that this, like, I want to try Tatcha products, and I bet this would have been fantastic to try. But like I said, my skin right now is acting really bad because my skincare has gone really, like, off. So maybe as soon as I get back onto that and get my skin under control, after I can get my skin under control, then maybe I can try it. We'll see. But thank you, Hannah, again, for getting this, and not getting this, but for reviewing this for me and telling me to let y'all know on YouTube how it worked for her. Again, if you have really dry skin, this will work phenomenal for you. It's Tatcha, but I don't know. It just depends on your skin type. So again, you get 2 of these in your box. I'm James Charles. I speak way too fucking fast. The last project I got in my box is by Tarte, which I love Tarte. Tarte is probably one of my favorite high-end brands ever. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. I think there was 3 choices. 3 different ones you could have gotten. There was one that was like kind of red and brown. There was a cool tone, and then this one, which I'm really excited for. This, like, I was happy that I got this one. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's that nice round one. It's as big as like the palm of my hand, if not maybe a bit bigger. But this is what it looks like. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shades in here. All of them are shimmers except this one right here. I don't know what that is, because like you swatch and it looks like kind of a shimmer, like it's sheer. I don't know what that is. If y'all know what the shade Tiki is, comment down below, or like something. But this palette is legit me. When I use shimmer shades, I either use bronzes, which I have some highlighty colors here for my brow bone. I have this nice pink. The only shade I have not used yet is Malibu, because it's like this dark purple brown color. But every other shade I have used either in my inner corner highlight, my inner corner highlight, my brow bone highlight, or on my lid. So this palette's amazing, and this retails for $36. I also put, what shade was it? Escape on my nose and Cupid's bow, even though the Cupid's bow kind of came off. But they're really nice. I use Treasure, Escape, Compass, and Raise under my brow bone. And again, I'll have these swatched for you. But I'm really happy I got this palette. This is me in a palette. Like, this is just a nice shimmer palette. So, like, I could bring a matte palette on the go if I wanted to, and then bring this along. And this has just every perfect shimmer shade that I could ask for. So I'm so happy this came in the box. And, like, already this palette is way more than the box. So I'm going to swatch these. So first, I'm telling you on here how it swatches first. So first is Treasure. Escape. Tiki. Again, please comment down below if you know what Tiki is. Like, I'm swatching Tiki on here, and you can't even see it, so I need to look that up. Heat Wave. Ooh, so Heat Wave, when I'm swatching it, it kind of looks like, it looks pink, but kind of like red, if that makes, like, that probably makes no sense. Ha. Malibu. It's Prete. Raise. Compass. Compass is like really, really pretty. And the last shade is Jewel. So again, this palette's already swatching beautifully. So I'm excited to keep this in my collection and keep using it just for my, like, simple days, if that makes any sense. But yeah, this is my box this month, and let me do the math really quick. So 12 plus 20 plus 36 plus 24 plus 18. So this box this month was $110. And again, you're paying $21 for this box, and you're paying full-size products, except maybe this isn't full-size. But everything else is full-size products. They're high-end products. Like, I think this box is just worth the $21 every month, because you get, like, So, again, I'm excited for this Tarte palette to stay in my collection. I'm hella excited for the Briogeo hair thing. And, again, I will probably be giving this to my friend. If not, I'm going to wait for my skin to clear up and try it myself and see how it works. But other than that, like, these 3 products I was so happy for in my box. I'm really sad that this Ofra color is, like, too dark on my, like, I just did not like it on me. I was sad, and I never use brow products just because that's just me. But I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the swatches that are going to be on the side. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. You totally should. And tell me down below what your favorite product was in my box this month. Did y'all get the same box? Did y'all get different boxes? Let me know down below. But I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing month. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.